Hi everyone. Okay, last class we have completed addition of vector. In this class we are going to study about subtraction of vector. It is very important. Concept is very simple, but you have to understand. That is very important things. If you understand the concept, it will be very easy. You don't worry about this mathematical calculation. This is very easy. You just try to understand the concept. It will be very easy. Okay, nice. Now I am going to do subtraction of vector means you just consider this is a vector. I have to subtract from another vector from here. So a vector minus b vector. How to subtract the vectors? Subtraction means once again addition, but I am telling a vector plus minus of b vector, that will be equal to a vector minus b vector. What I am telling here, subtraction means also addition, but opposite of this vector. Here also I am going to add, it's not subtract, but a vector plus minus b vector, that will be equal to a vector minus b vector. So this is the subtractions of vectors. Okay, first you have to understand the diagram. It is very easy. You try to understand the diagram. Okay, simple. Listen to me. This is a vector from O to A. It's a vector. Then this is O to from here to the B vector. So this is the resultant vector. This is the resultant vector for the two vectors. This is B vector, but here we are going to add the opposite of the B vector. So this is minus B vector. This is minus B vector. We are going to do the operation in the particular section, not here. This is addition of vectors. Okay. This only subtraction of vectors. So we are going to do the operation in particular portions. So what I am telling, this is from O to A vector, then O to here minus B vector. This is the resultant vector of the two vectors. Okay. Then you have to understand the angle notation. That means the B vector, the angle between B vector and A is theta. This angle will be, if it is theta, this angle will be 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. The angle between the A vector and the resultant vector making the angle alpha 1. Here, the angle between the A vector and the resultant vector of here, this is alpha 2. This is alpha 1, this is alpha 2. Again I repeat you, angle between B and A is a theta. That's all. So definitely it should be 180 minus theta, because this is line, it making the angle 180 degree. I am saying here theta, this is theta. So this will be 180 minus, this is theta. So that will be 180 minus theta. The same manner I have written like this, 180 minus theta. That's all. If it is 180, this angle is 180 minus theta, this should be also 180 minus theta. This is 180 minus theta, it becomes theta. Because the same phenomena here also, 180 minus theta plus theta become 180. So the angle of that line is 180 degree. So this is theta. First of all, you have to understand the angle of notations. This is theta. So it become 180 minus theta. If it is 180 minus theta, this angle should be 180 minus theta. If it is 180 minus theta, it becomes theta. This is the concept. Then, actually this is a simple diagram. If you want, I will clarify how to draw the diagram as easily. You just understand that. After that, I will explain to that. Okay, nice. You don't see here. I'm going to put the name like this. O A, that is A vector. Then this is O, this is A, this is B. We have to draw the normal from B to that particular point, that become M. So here O, M, A, B. This is the O, M, B is a right angle triangle. Okay, nice. First I am going to take this diagram O, B, A, M. Where is that? B, A, M. From this diagram, we have to find out the BM, because we wanted We wanted. I will explain later why we want it. First you have to know, I want this one and this one. So I am taking this angle. Which one? M, otherwise BAM. BAM. From BAM, I want sin theta. Generally, we have to know the formula. What is the formula for sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here making the angle here. So this is opposite. This is adjacent. This is hypotenuse. Are you clear? So sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite is MB. Hypotenuse AB. Just writing. MB, otherwise PM. BM, that's equal to AB. So sin theta equal to BM by AB. So I want only BM. So BM equal to, instead of AB we can write like this. This is the AB. The value is A. Sorry, B. So BM by B. So sin theta equal to BM by B. I want only BM. So BM equal to B sin theta. BM equal to B sin theta. We have completed this value. I want this. So again you have to take the same triangle. What is that? BAM. From BAM you have to calculate cos theta. What is the formula for cos theta? Cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. Where is the adjacent side? This one. So MA. This is MA. MA divided by hypotenuse again B. That is AB. AB which is nothing but B. So MA divided by B. So cos theta equal to MA divided by B. I want only MA. So MA that's equal to B cos theta. So I have completed BM and MA. Why we have to find these terms? I will say. Listen to me. I have to find this value. This is our aim. Subtraction of the two vectors. This is the resultant vector of the two vectors. So I have to find it this one. If we want this one, I have to form the right angle triangle. That all I am telling. So OMB, that is the right angle triangle. It is making the angle alpha 2. Now it is very very important. Now only I am going to do the important things. That is magnitude of the resultant vector. So I am taking the triangle MOB. Where is that MOB? MOB. The O making the angle is alpha 2. Okay. Now we don't want it. You just listen that MOB. MOB. From MOB, it is a right angle triangle. So we have to substitute the Pythagoras theorem here. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square will be equal to sum of the opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse, what is that? OB. So OB squared equal to MB squared or BM squared plus OM squared. Just writing. This is hypotenuse. This is Pythagoras theorem for MOB. Here I have applied Pythagoras theorem for this triangle. So MOB, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent, opposite, this is adjacent. That's all. Okay, nice. So BM squared, which is nothing but BM, which is nothing but what is that BM? B sin theta. BM square, it become B sin theta the whole square. Then OM. OM means from here to here. We don't know that value, but we know that O to A is A. Yeah, A to M, it is the value. What is that? We have find out here. This is M sin theta, this is M cos theta. I want this only. I want only OM. Totally A. Here this is M sin theta. So A minus M sin theta. Here I have, cos theta. This is sin theta, this is cos theta. So A minus B cos theta the whole square. B sin theta the whole square means B square sin square theta plus here A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square means what is the formula? A square minus 2AB plus B square. B square which is nothing but B cos theta. So the square is common for this term and this term. So B square cos square theta. That's all. Simply I am writing A square minus 2AB cos theta. B square is here also here. We have a 2 B square. B square sin theta plus B square cos square theta. We can take its common value B square equal to B square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. The sin square theta plus cos square theta value will be 1. So it become 1 into B square become B square. So A square minus 2AB cos theta plus B square. I want only r. So we have to take the square root. Square root of a square minus 2ab cos theta plus b square. This is the magnitude of the two vectors of the subraction of vectors. Okay, nice. This is the magnitude of the vector. This is, then we will find out the direction. Direction which is nothing but alpha 2. Direction which is nothing but alpha 2. Again we are taking the triangle. Which one? OMB. MOB or OMB. If you are taking MOB, we have to find out the tan value. Tan alpha 2, it making the angle alpha 2. So tan alpha 2 equal to, generally we know that tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite is a BM, adjacent is OM. BM which is nothing but, we have find it, BM which is nothing but B sin theta, and OM which is nothing but A minus B cos theta. I want only alpha 2. So alpha 2, that's equal to, the term is goes to this side, it will be tan inverse. So tan inverse of B sin theta divided by A minus B cos theta. So this is direction of the vector, this is the magnitude of the vector. It is very important. Simply here I have written that A minus B cos theta the whole square, it become like this. Just I have applied for your better understanding. A minus B the whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Instead of A we have to substitute capital A. Here minus is the formula, and B again instead of B we have to write it B cos theta the whole square. In this formula we have to apply, instead of A we have to substitute A square minus, instead of 2 we have to substitute 2, instead of A we have to substitute capital A, instead of B we have to substitute B cos theta, and here instead of B square we have to substitute B cos theta the whole square, I mean B square cos theta. If we expand this term we will get this one. That only I have written like this. Okay, nice. Today, last class we have completed addition of vectors. This class we have completed subtraction of vector. Subtraction of vector which is nothing but addition of opposite of the another one vectors. For example, A vector minus B vector means A vector plus minus B vector. Again A vector minus C vector means A vector plus minus C vector. That's all. Here also we have adding. That's all. We have added. Okay. Subtraction means you don't worry about that. First of all, you have to understand the diagram. Okay, this is A vector, this is B vector. I want the opposite of this vector, so I have drawn like this, and this is the resultant vector of the two vector. This is the resultant vector of the two vector. That's all. Simply I have drawn the normal for this term for to get a right angle triangle. That only we can apply that only we can find out the resultant vector. So I have formed this one. Okay, you just listen that. Once again repeat you. Listen to me. This is OM. This is B. From the triangle BAM, we find out the BM. Again from BAM, we have to find out MA. Then from triangle MOB, magnitude that's equal to, I want this one. So this square equal to this square plus this square, OM square plus BM square plus OM square, BM square which is nothing but B sin theta the whole square plus, that's all. So B square, if you expand this one, B square sin square theta plus A square minus 2AB. Here I have applied the formula. So if you simplify that, you can get the magnitude of the vector and direction of the vector. That's all. If you have any doubt, you leave it comment in your message box. I will help you. Okay. Thank you so much.